Good morning, travellers, and welcome back to the Terminal Guide. If you have plans to fly through Bangkok's Suva nabumi Airport soon, listen up. Your boarding routine is about to get a major upgrade. Starting September 28th, Suva nabumi is officially launching a soft opening for its brand new first midfield satellite building, better known as SAT-1. This massive expansion is dedicated exclusively to international flights, specifically those departing from gates S101 through S128. For those heading out, the process starts as usual. Check in at the main terminal building, clear your security checks, and breeze through passport control. Once you're in the departures hall, here's your roadmap. Head toward the iconic Scene of the Churning of the Milk Ocean sculpture. Walk around the back of the sculpture and keep your eyes peeled for the S101 to S128 signs. Hop on the automated people mover train for a quick transit to SAT-1. If you're landing at SAT-1, the journey back is just as streamlined. Step off the plane onto the second level, head down to level B2 to catch the shuttle, and you'll be at the main arrival hall in no time. It's a big step forward for Bangkok's travel hub. Safe travels and enjoy the new views at SAT-1.